Hello, it's Mamaw Gail, and today I'm going to fix a chocolate cobbler. It looks so good. I seen this creator named Brandi fix one the other day, and I just have to try it now. You want 1 stick of butter melted, 1.5 cups of flour. I use self-rising flour. Then you want 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 3/4 tablespoon cocoa. Now here's the hard part, getting the getting the 3/4 out. I don't know. Nah, that'll work. Now get that stirred up real good. Now you want to add your 3/4 cups of milk. I use 2%. It don't matter, I don't guess what you use. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Oh, well, that's a little tad more, but it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Get that stirred up real good. Now you just want to pour this over in your butter. Spread it out just a little tad, but do not stir. Okay, I've got 1/2 cup of cocoa. I dumped it before he started filming. And 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm gonna stir that up real good. Now you just want to sprinkle this over this mixture here. Right like that right there. Okay, well, I think I've got it about right. There you go. Now you want to add your 2 1/4 cups of boiling water. Just dump it all over the top of it. I don't know, but now this is what Brandi did, so I'm trying to do it just like the way she done it. Okay, now put it in a 350 degree oven. Didn't open my door far enough. Burn my elbow. All right, look how good that looks. I might have done right well with this. Look, it's still bubbling. And you know I gotta try this while it's hot. Look here, what a little bitty bow Ethan got me. You don't want me to ruin my suppers the way it is. I gotta try it. Oh, that looks good. You know you gotta have ice cream with it. I don't know whether to put it on top or beside it. I'm gonna put it beside it. In case I want to eat a little bit by itself. I think it's cool enough, I don't know. Oh gosh. You know, that is, oh my gosh, it's delicious. Now I'm gonna try a bite with ice cream. Either way, it's good. With or without ice cream. Y'all gotta try this. Thank you, Brandi, for showing this. It's delicious. Y'all hungry?